X-Men 97 just released its first 3 episodes on Disney Plus, with episode 4 coming out Wednesday at the time of recording this video. Probably will have already released, but I wanted to talk about the first issue of this comic that came out. This is a 4-part issue series. I wouldn't be surprised if they expand this to more issues when season 2 releases, but at least right now it's only 4 issues, which I really enjoyed this first issue. And what I really like about this issue, it actually expands upon the series. Basically, this episode, or this is like an episode of the show in a comic form. Basically, and it starts with the X-Men after Xavier's death, of course, which isn't a spoiler. It's in the trailer for the new series. The X-Men's trying to regroup, and they're running through some test runs in the Danger Room, and they end up rescuing Dazzler, and you kind of get some see some on the rockiness relationships with Jean, who's feeling left out by Scott and learning that she's pregnant. Of course, we know a lot more about that, especially if you watched episode 3, but there's still some hints of that. And the gang's still trying to find a way to return Bishop to his old time and stuff, and just kind of battle out their differences. So it's kind of like a prequel to the series that kind of just refreshes you on why you like these characters and stuff, and gets hints of our new villain of the season for the new season of the show, Mr. Sinister. It's a great reintroductory first issue that does a great job of reintroducing you to these characters, actually more than the actual new season of the show does within its first episode. And I almost wish that maybe this comic was actually released before the series was, because it actually wasn't. It wasn't released till the week after the season was. But if you have not read this, I'd highly recommend this first issue. And issue number 2 comes out in a couple weeks. So I think next week, actually, at the time of recording this video, might already be out by the time I put out this video. But it's a great reintroductory comic to the series, and I loved it.